a signal is a notification to a process, means process will get notification, that is signal. When it will get means when an event has occurred, when any event has occurred, at that time process will get a notification. That notification is, we can call it as a signal, because we are disturbing the flow of process, right? So that is called interrupt. So see second line, signals are sometimes described as a software interrupt also. So we already discussed it, no? Sometimes we can call it as a interrupt also, like software interrupt. So third point, we know already signals are two types, synchronous and asynchronous. The synchronous and asynchronous is depends on the source and reason for the event. Okay, we already seen this thing, and let's see the example. This is for synchronous signal. Synchronous signal is nothing but the source and destination is the same process. See this example here. What we are doing, we are dividing integer with 0, so we got segmentation fault here. Segmentation fault. See why it is called as synchronous means, see, we know when this signal will generate, means whenever compiler will execute this printf statement, like segmentation fault is generated. We know, right? So that's why this under synchronous. Okay. Next, asynchronous. See this example here. What is there? Just one print statement is there, hi, next while one. So if you execute this code, what is the output? Output will be hi, next while one, means compiler will executing continuously. But if you press Ctrl C, what will happen? Code will terminate, right? So that is one. Ctrl C also one signal. So we don't know when user will press Ctrl C. When user will press Ctrl C, we don't know. So that's why it comes under asynchronous. But previously in this example, we know, like whenever compiler will execute this printf statement, at that time segmentation fault will come. So we know. So that's why that is synchronous, this is asynchronous. And see, yes, next, signal flow. Okay, I think this is clear about what is signal. There are two types. We already discussed these things in previous class. Just I am revising this thing.
Love our content? Hit subscribe for more awesome videos. We'll see you in the next one.